Welcome to this transformative meditation, focusing on dreams as sacred messages from your higher self. Let's gently open ourselves to the profound wisdom that flows through our sleep and into our waking lives. Take a moment now to settle into your meditation space, allowing your body to find its natural resting position. Whether you're sitting or lying down, simply let yourself be completely supported. Set your intention to receive whatever insights are meant for you in this moment, trusting that your higher self has already prepared the perfect guidance for your journey ahead. This session will guide you through a gentle exploration of how your dreams serve as detailed action plans, lovingly crafted by the wisest part of yourself. We'll create a bridge between the symbolic language of your sleeping mind and the practical steps you can take in your daily life. Allow yourself to be fully present, knowing that this sacred space holds you with complete acceptance and love. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath, not trying to change it, just noticing its natural rhythm. With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in receptivity and openness. With each exhale, release any doubts about your inner wisdom or the validity of your dreams. Feel your body settling deeper into stillness. Notice how your shoulders naturally soften, how your jaw releases, how even your thoughts begin to slow their hurried pace. This is your natural state of being, this gentle awareness that connects you to all the wisdom you carry within. Now bring to mind the phrase, "My dreams are action plan messages from my higher self to implement." Let these words rest gently in your awareness, not as something you need to analyze, but as a truth you can feel in your bones. Your higher self speaks to you constantly, and dreams are one of its most creative languages. Think about a recent dream, even if it seems strange or fragmented. Notice how you can hold it with curiosity rather than confusion. Your dreaming mind weaves together symbols, emotions, and scenarios that contain practical wisdom about your path forward. Allow yourself to soften into the understanding that every dream element has meaning. The people who appear in your dreams often represent different aspects of yourself or relationships that need attention. The places you visit might show you where you need to go, either literally or metaphorically. The challenges you face in dreams Our practice runs for the courage and skills you're developing. Breathe into this knowing. Your subconscious mind processes vast amounts of information while you sleep, organizing it into actionable guidance disguised as stories and images. What feels like random dream content is actually your inner wisdom presenting solutions to questions you may not have even consciously asked. Imagine now that you can communicate directly with your higher self, the part of you that orchestrates these nightly messages. Picture this wise aspect of yourself sitting before you with infinite patience and love. Notice that this higher self has been watching over your entire life journey, understanding the bigger picture even when your daily mind feels lost or uncertain. Your higher self knows exactly what steps will lead to your greatest growth and joy. It understands the timing of things, the preparation you need, the people you're meant to meet, and the skills you're meant to develop. Your dreams are love letters from this wise guide, encoded with everything you need to know about moving forward. Rest in the profound trust that your inner guidance system is always working on your behalf. Even when dreams feel confusing or uncomfortable, they're showing you something important about your inner landscape or your external circumstances that requires attention. Some dreams reveal fears that need gentle healing. Others show you untapped potential waiting to be expressed. Still others present creative solutions to challenges you're facing. All of them come from the deepest love your higher self has for your full flowering as a human being. Feel yourself receiving this understanding, not just intellectually, but in every cell of your body. You are being guided with perfect precision, even when the path seems unclear. As we prepare to return your attention to your daily life, take a moment to appreciate the miraculous gift of your dreaming mind. Tonight, when you sleep, you can rest, knowing that your higher self will continue this loving work, weaving together insights and guidance for your tomorrow. Commit to greeting your dreams with the respect they deserve. Keep paper by your bedside, or simply hold the intention to remember and honor whatever messages come through. Trust that even dreams you forget have already done their work in your subconscious mind. Slowly begin to deepen your breath, gently moving your fingers and toes. Feel yourself fully present in this moment, carrying with you a renewed appreciation for the constant communication between your conscious and unconscious mind. Your dreams are not random entertainment. They are sophisticated communications from the wisest part of yourself, offering you a roadmap for living with greater authenticity, creativity, and joy. Trust this process and watch how your life begins to align more closely with your deepest truth. I wish you peaceful sleep, filled with clarity and guidance that serves your highest good. Stay mindful, friends.